The 45W MagSafe 2 power adapter features a magnetic DC connector, so if someone should trip over it, the cord disconnects harmlessly and your MacBook Air stays put safely. It also helps prevent fraying or weakening of the cables over time. In addition, the magnetic DC helps guide the plug into the system for a quick and secure connection. When the connection is secure, an LED located at the head of the DC connector lights up. An amber light lets you know that your notebook is charging, while a green light tells you that you have a full charge. An AC cord is provided with the adapter for maximum cord length, while the AC wall adapter, also provided, gives you an even easier and more compact way to travel. Designed to be the perfect traveling companion, the adapter has a clever design which allows the DC cable to be wound neatly around itself for easy cable storage. This power adapter recharges the lithium polymer battery while the system is off, on, or in sleep mode. It also powers the system if you choose to operate without a battery. Compatible only with MacBook Air featuring MagSafe 2 power port. Top reviews from the United States. Worth the extra money. When my original charger wore out, I replaced with a much cheaper off-brand product. The charger base was always hot, it sparked when I plugged it in, and eventually quit charging reliably. I replaced it with Apple original equipment and all of the issues resolved.